Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to buy cryptocurrency on Coinbase in 2026. Buying crypto on Coinbase is easier than you think, so let me show you exactly how to do it step by step. Let's start by following these few simple steps. Now before we start, Coinbase is a secure online platform for buying, selling, transferring, and storing cryptocurrency. Now, in order to join this platform, you're gonna go to Coinbase.com website and make sure you sign in. Or if you don't have an account yet, you can sign up and enter your account's credentials, your information, and then you can set up your account. After you do that, you're gonna log into your Coinbase account. So after logging in, you're gonna tap buy and sell. On the homepage, you're gonna click the buy and sell button. Then you're gonna select the cryptocurrency you want to buy, like Ethereum, Solana, or any other available coins. After that, you're gonna enter the amount of money you want to invest. You can type a dollar amount, as you can see here. You can choose to pay with USDC or buy. As you can see, you're gonna choose the buy. Then you're gonna select the payment method. After entering the amount, choose your payment method. Then you're gonna choose your bank account, debit card, or PayPal if you added it earlier. Then the final step is to preview the buy. Now you're gonna review the fee carefully. And after reviewing the fee, you're gonna notice that fees vary depending on payment method. And that's it. You've officially bought crypto on Coinbase. And if you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.